It's not even started. Hello, welcome back to some more Jcrew. We are playing some.
Hello, Jays. I mean, what should we call them?
Hello, Crews.
Hello, crew. Today we're gonna play some Minecraft, and I got something to tell you.
Toolbox, actually.
Yeah, I guess that we are. Did you make a new server?
No.
Well, I already made a video. It was either yesterday or a couple hours ago. It's go on ours and type in Jcrew plays Minecraft. Pretty boring. And why are you using that? Oh, no, get it. Satisfaction.
Okay, we're gonna build a sword and a big axe. By the way, I learned a way to take down your health, run around like sprint.
Yeah. Come here. Why are you even doing this?
Come on, can you show myself?
Me too.
Get your beans out.
Me? My mine is on your. Okay, Jared. Whatever you was trying to do. So how many in disease thingies do you need? 2 times. Press it again. All right.
And Jcrew and Jair. Just shoes in order, please.
No shoes. Oh yeah. There we go. Finish.
There we go. Finish.
Don't step on us.
I'm all the way at the top.
Oh, look at my handsome son.
I'm ugly. I'm all the way back there.
Because you're tall.
Nah, the top. She said the top people always stand up front. She said all of the tall people stand up front, and mostly all of the tall people are up front. These are all of the tall people.
You look tall.
He taller than me. He the same size as me. He the same size as me. She taller than me. She 5'2". She taller than me. She the same size. I think they do. Well, everybody back here, I'm taller than everybody back there, and I'm taller than Demetrius and Cameron.
You stand out.
And Cameron. And I gotta stand in the back.
I always have to stand in the back.
Plus, I have to stand up. That's terrible.
It still looks like a very
Joe, what look like a very nice picture.
I'm putting Reese. Wait, you made it.
Jair, I need your stuff.
I didn't make no shovel.
My stuff was.
How you get your rat or whatever it is.
Huh? Get my rat? My rat?
Your
Is
rat.
that your rat?
The rat.
Oh, you talking about that?
I said rat. What else would you
I
think?
did it like a rat.
Jair, is
like,
that your school picture?
rap.
Yeah.
Like
Let me see.
a rap. Like a rap.
Yeah, it's just me.
Okay, where are we?
Oh. See in his workshop. Look at your smile. You like.
Alright, Joe, we need to plant DC somewhere. And then
Wait. I know how to do it. Don't go out.
I'm not going out. I'm going somewhere here.
Jair, you one of the tallest kids in your class too?
Yeah.
He's like
yeah,
either
you're on the bottom row.
he like either the second tallest kid.
Let me see.
And this is their height.
Nah, that girl, she's real tall.
Sydney.
Yeah.
And she just sitting there straight.
She looks way bigger.
Yeah. She way. It's her hair.
Now it's her shoulders. His shoulders over down here, hers over there.
Yeah, she's sitting there straight like
Look at
this.
her thighs. See her thighs?
Why
Her
is she
thighs
looking
is
at
all the way down there. Her thighs is all the way up here.
Why are you looking at people's thighs? Ow. Do you like? She's ugly. Like really? I'm not lying. She is.
Jay, you the second tallest person in your class. You got a girl taller. I only got one girl in my class.
Jerry, you like this girl right here? She look like you.
Who? Which one?
This girl right here.
No.
She look
This
like
is girlfriend
Jerry.
right
That's his girlfriend.
I don't
What's her
have a
name?
girlfriend.
Huh?
What's her name?
I forgot her name. Joe, what's this girl name? What's this girl name?
I don't know.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you do. She in your class. Be quiet.
Do I?
Huh?
A film more.
What's her name?
I don't have a girlfriend. For God's sake.
Okay.
What's her name?
I don't know.
What's all the girls' names in your place?
She
I
know
know
he-
this one's Sydney.
He know who her
Who
name
this?
is. He know who her
Because
name
that's who I thought you like, her right here.
Yeah,
What's
you
her
got
name?
that all wrong.
What's her name?
Shania.
Sanaya, what's her name?
Somebody. Angelina.
What's her name?
Her name?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mike here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's who you like, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
See, that's
Because
my
when I was on the bus, I said, "Wow, I said, Jay, your girlfriend acting up," and she didn't say nothing. She was over there. She over there had a smile on her face.
She had a smile on her
Yeah,
face.
that's how you know
Oh,
that's
that's
a
Jay,
girl.
your girlfriend?
No! For
Yeah,
God's
it is.
sake.
Yes,
No.
it is. Yes.
You know who she look like?
Who?
I hate her.
No, she don't.
Yeah, that's your girlfriend.
Boy, I'm not like Ayana. What you mean? You dirty.
Can't deny it.
Why would you like your own stepsister, you dummy? You
Mike
dirty.
here. That's a pretty name.
Yes, it is.
Jay being dirty.
Guys,
Guys, Jair's girlfriend name is Mike Kira.
I don't have a girlfriend.
Yes, he does. And he likes her a lot. She's pretty.
Go to bed, Jared. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed.
She got her hair done. Pink and black, I think. You thought she was cute when she came in like that?
You can't even deny it.
No, I can't. No, I can't stop smiling. That's why I can't stop.
You always can't stop smiling when we telling the truth on you.
Telling
When
the
you're
truth.
lying.
When you're lying, I stop
When
smiling.
you're lying,
Jared, go to sleep.
you don't smile.
How? When I'm lying, I don't smile.
I mean, when you're lying, you smile a lot.
I don't. How? When I was telling the truth, I was laughing. I was
When
smiling.
you're serious, you're serious.
He's laughing when he says he laughs all the time.
Seriously, I do
Yes,
laugh
he
all the
does.
time.
Like, one time, I thought he took my water bottle. Wait, what? We was playing Monopoly. I thought that he took the dice. Or it was either the dice or the money. And I said, stop playing with me. He was like, I didn't take it. And I checked all his pockets down.
He probably was hiding.
He had nothing in there. The next thing you know,
Jair is a trick.
it was in my hand. Like, it was in my hand.
Stuff just be
But it
funny
was
to
my
me.
paper. But it was in my hand. I said, you really got it. I'm not playing.
How you pat him down with both your hands if it was in your hands?
I thought that it was my paper that I wrote down because I was writing down stuff while I was playing Monopoly. And I said, you lying. And then he said, yeah, and I said, boy, you lying. And I started laughing too. Jared always laughing.
Everything
Jared
is
always
funny
laughing.
to me. You shouldn't have learned that by now. Your son.
Oh, Jair, this is a nice picture.
Oh, I know. I look nice. Better than everybody.
But he can't make that face again.
What?
His face.
He gonna go.
Yo, look at this. Doesn't that look like a nice picture?
Okay, you can move it out the way.
Let me give me my quarter, please. Thank you. I need that.
The bitch shouldn't be out here like this.
Get my stuff.
Okay.
Guys, you know what we're gonna be doing this whole entire episode?
Okay. Stop.
We're gonna dig.
Okay.
This is our room.
Okay.
Oh, you want to play?
No. Why you walk there?
Give me my quarter.
Come
Give me my quarter.
back up.
Give me my quarter. Give me my quarter.
Now we don't want no zombies killing us. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna dig out this wall.
Why you do that?
I didn't do anything. I was being normal.
You embarrass me in front of
They wasn't even.
Everybody.
They didn't even see you.
Yes, they did.
No, seriously, no joke. You were not in the background. No. Guys, have a weird family.
Like you?
Okay.
Making a video.
Yeah.
I don't care about you making a video. You about to go to bed? You about to go to bed?
But I love this my videos.
Jack, he buys my blanket. It's right on the bed.
Get off my bed. You're not sleeping up there.
You slept on my bed?
Yeah, you slept on my bed too.
Yeah, but you slept on my bed all night.
Yeah, but you slept.
We slept on your bed in the middle of the night. Mom, keep passing my blanket. And when you're done being currently busy, keep me currently busy.
Busy for a long time.
When you're done being currently busy for a long time, keep me currently busy. Passing me that blanket. Okay. When you're done being really busy, keep me really busy. Running around all the time. Get my blanket from. Why you sleep? Can you get that?
They put these iron bars in here, guys. Let's see what we got here. Still got 7 left.
Jack, close the camera. Jack, close the camera. Close the freaking camera. I'm not taking my clothes off.
Plus, they barely can see mom.
So basically, they can't see me.
Ooh, they actually could see mom, but ooh, this mom didn't take her stuff off. I gotta see how much iron we got. Iron is money. We sell irons for monies. Dang. Was you always lying? Was you always lying? Like an oh my gosh, stop freaking lying. We got 21 iron. Guys, this is totally not cheating, so don't say it's cheating. If you do say it's cheating, you got that Okay. So where's the test and stuff?
You have to make me go to the house.
What harsh pain? Let's make a whole entire set of armor. So that's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Jack, you see that bag right on the left of you?
What bag?
That bag right on the left of you.
Yeah.
Pull that out from under the bed.
Yeah.
Take it out.
We just need torches. So guys, we got food, we got torches. Now all we need to do is go mine. But first, totally not cheating. Just to go mining. We got food, we got torches, we got this, we got armor, we got health, we got a bed, we got a home, we got a cave. We got a keyboard. I forgot the keyboard wasn't connected. Okay, so So guys, I just gosh. Guys, it looks like we're gonna be using the keyboard. Well, I just need a perfect. Well, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. See ya.